Tri-State Bobcat coming to you from Burnsville, Minnesota, Hudson, Wisconsin, and Little Canada, Minnesota. This is a video walk around on the Bobcat T750 compact track loader. Heavy duty machine, 10,327 pound operating weight. Tipping load on the machine, 9,500 pounds. Talk about efficient. 3325 on the rated operating capacity. 10.7 miles per hour with the 2-speed. This machine flies. You know, make the most out of your daylight hours. Track-wise, we have 17.7-inch tracks here. It does also have an option of 12.6 tracks, roller suspension, or a standard suspension like this one has. You know, some excavators prefer this. The ride is tremendous, of course, with a little bit of suspension on those rear rollers. All helps out. 4.2 psi ground pressure, so really does a nice light step on the ground. 78 inches wide, 132 inches to the hinge pin, so it's a nice high lift on this machine. Power bob attach. Take a look at the hydraulics and how they are contained. You'll see no exposed lines on the Bobcat. We've got a clean boom. Nothing to trip up or snag. This is a high flow machine. We have both high and standard flow options. The high flow, 36.5 gallons per minute, 23 on the standard flow. Got our 7-pin electrical built right into the boom as well, right from the factory. You know, one of the options you can get into, we can also equip this with a 14-pin if you've got some non-Bobcat attachments you'd like to run. Take a look at how wide open this is. I mean, to see how to hook up, the Bobcat is completely exposed. Nice heavy-duty step that cleans off, and it's at the right height. Easy to get in and out of this machine. Lots of glass on the outside, easy to keep clean, pressurized cab. So it's easy to clean off that glass. Recessed taillights into the heavy-duty 1/4-inch steel door. Look at the rear bumper. We've got the keel bottom on this machine. It will travel where other machines will not go. Sound insulation, fuel, oil. You know, everything's wide open. Starter, battery, your fuel fill, your alternator. Everything is in place, easy to get to. We've got the rest of our service items right underneath the hood, along with the cooling. Built out of heavy-duty steel, no plastic. Vertical lift boom. Look how easy it is to step in. And this is a cab. A pleasure to sit in. You could have an air ride seat option. You can take a look at your instrumentation. Here is the color panel. You can read this in the bright daylight. It is no problem. You can set it up with passwords, our different job clocks. Any active warnings will pop up on the screen. All the vitals for a quick look at oil, temperature, battery. If we want to set up a preventive maintenance plan, you can set your hours in and see how close you are to the next service. Great features, you know, the keyless machine. Just turn the knobs, fire it up, hand throttle. Easy to operate glass, locks in position. Got standard controls on this machine. It is available. Standard hand and foot controls for your bucket and boom. Or we can go in with advanced control system, which would be case controls where we'll turn in with our wrists to operate boom and bucket. And then also joystick controls where this right stick would just be used solely for operating the boom and bucket. And our travel would be controlled with the left stick. Ergonomically fantastic, real comfortable machine to sit in. Your heat and air conditioning controls, easy to look at. We can put a radio in this position, in this slot. Great heat controls and air conditioning. I mean, the HVAC system, it'll blow your hat off. Great interior, nice and quiet on this machine. Bucket positioning, an option. Of course, power Bobcat. Nicely set up. Great machine to take to work and get some work done. 10,327 pound operating weight. It's an 85 horse Kubota turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel. 3325 rated operating capacity with a 9,500 pound tipping load. 10.7 miles per hour with that high-speed 2-speed. And a light touch, only 4.2 psi of ground pressure. 27-gallon fuel tank. As we looked at the hydraulics, 36.5 gallons per minute on the high flow. 17.7 wide tracks, a roller suspension is available. Power Bobcat, full controls, air ride seat, bucket positioning. This machine's got it all. Give us a call and arrange a demo, or come on out to the yard and try one out. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, Burnsville, Minnesota, and Little Canada, Minnesota, serving you. Give us a call or visit our website, www.tristatebobcat.com. Thank you.